a new house. This is a hotel. I didn't pay for a house yet in Florida. We will go to Greenville, Wisconsin, and we will go to a little bit of spending in Greenville. So let's go in the car right now. Who wants some coffee? Me. Okay. Okay, we are gonna go to Starbucks Starbucks right now. Starbucks is down the road right now. And we are, my word, we almost hit before. And we are going to Starbucks. But you want anything else? No. Okay, I'm running out of gas. After Starbucks, I'm gonna go get gas. Okay, brother? Okay. Okay, let's go to the gas station. I am video early now. Okay. Oh! Just almost hit in. Oh my god! This is driving crazy over here. Oh my word. I just hit the accident. Oh, it's the same car as me. Let's stop right here. Oh my word. Okay, let's go turn and you turn over here and we will get to Starbucks in time so my fuel don't get low. So let's go to the Starbucks right now to get to Starbucks. Okay, guys? Oh my word. Where's Starbucks? I'm lost in here. Where's Starbucks? Do you know where Starbucks is? Oh, down the road. Okay. Oh my word. Where is Starbucks? Uncle, where's Starbucks? I don't know. I don't know it. Oh my word. We made it to Starbucks in time right now. And we are gonna get out of the car because it's broken. So let's go spawn another one. So, okay. It was stuck somewhere. Okay. And we will get coffee. Okay, you guys? Oh my word. There's another car here to suspend and to park here to get the score today. Okay. Hello, girl. How you doing today? Good. Hey, get out in line right now. And can I have coffee, please? Get out in line right now. Get in line. Okay, here's the coffee. Thank you. Oh my word. That bro just budged me. Okay, let's go in the car right now. And we will go to a trip to Florida. I'm so excited to go to Florida right now. We are gonna take a taxi ride, so let's go to the gas station right now, and the taxi will wait. I will wait here for the taxi to come. Okay, you guys? The taxi, it's a long mile away. So let's go to the gas station right now, and the taxi will be here soon to pick me up to the airport. So let's go to the gas station. All right, you guys, we are right here now. Oh my god, I just crashed. Oh my word! Oh my god, there's the police. Oh my, excuse me! What are you doing, you moron? Oh my word. You know what? I'm going backwards. Okay. Let's go to the gas station right now. Sorry, I'm watching Wendy in the. Okay, and we will get gas in time. Plus, okay. Our gas is so low. Okay, we get the gas right now, and we are gonna go to Highway X. Oh my word, it's crazy outside. What in the world is going on here? What in the world? What in the world is going on here? It shoot a man. What in the world? What in the world? What in the world? What in the world? Oh my word. Oh my. What in the world? Oh my word. I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna park right by here to wait for the taxi to arrive. So see you when we get to the airport. Finally, we are at the airport. It's so nice in here. There's no snowstorms in Greenville, and we are gonna check into Pilot. Book flight. Oh, seriously, I'm done. Finally! Phew. I'm gonna get my luggage in the thing. Okay. It's the same livery airport like last time in life. So let's go. Oh my word! Okay. Oh my word. What's Randy doing in the TV? Okay, let's go upstairs. Let's get our feet pace. I mean brave pace. Case. Okay. Okay. Card. I can't like briefly.
Lost luggage or items will be hard to return. Make sure all your belongings are kept near you at all times. Thank you.
Okay.
The monorail is now departing from entrance to Main Plaza. Please take a seat.
Oh no! Oh my god, the subway. Oh, I.
Want to work for Liberty Airlines? Use the application portal or visit our rank manager for endless possibilities of jobs to choose from. Don't see any flights being hosted? No worries. Just wait and explore our amazing airport while we wait for the next flight to appear. We do host constantly, and you should see the next flight shortly. This is the last call for any remaining.
McCormick knows unbeatable flavor. So we created Flavor Sealed, so spices are as fresh and flavorful as the day they were packed. Letting you make meals that'll have everyone licking their chops. McCormick, Flavor Sealed for unbeatable flavor.
A whole lot of housebuilding, fucking rape and get all kinds of shit.
For double repair and healthy meal skin.
That's probably it is it. And that shit on her mind. She don't throw away nothing like that. She ain't no doctor to help herself out. She didn't want the doctor on the thing.
Greenville, Wisconsin.
She worked.
Today and today we are going to be headed to school. So let me grab my backpack right now. Crazy busy day, guys. This is my first day at the new Greenville High School. I'm a little bit nervous, but hopefully everything goes well and I can meet some brand new friends. So let me grab my backpack right now.
Nobody looking at her.
I wanna push that. Oh my god. Teleport to plane. Oh my god, where is the plane? Where is the freaking plane? Oh my god, you're dead. Leave the tip. Oh my god, the tip is so. Then I fire him.
Airlines? Use the application portal or visit our rank manager for endless possibilities of jobs to choose from. Don't see any flights being hosted? No worries. Just wait and explore our amazing airport while you wait for the next flight to appear. We do host constantly, and you should see the next flight shortly. Want to work for Liberty Airlines? Use the application portal or visit our rank manager for endless possibilities of jobs to choose from. Don't see any flights being hosted? No worries. Just wait and explore our amazing airport while you wait for the next flight to appear. We do host constantly, and you should see the next flight shortly. Want to work for Liberty Airlines? Use the application portal or visit our rank manager for endless possibilities of jobs to choose from. Don't see any flights being hosted? No worries. Just wait and explore our amazing airport while you wait for the next flight to appear.
We are going to Greenville, Wisconsin. I'm so excited to go to Greenville, Wisconsin. I can't wait. Gate for snowboarding. Okay, we are at Greenville, Wisconsin. Alright, alright, alright.
But I'm sure we'll be just fine. I know he's a little bit suspicious if you ask me. Hello, class A. You're going to be coming in.
No one's in here. I know.
I'm excited. I'm excited. We're literally going to get 100% on this, okay? We're literally going to get 100%. It is going to be so much fun, all right? All right, guys. Let's get our lab materials right now. We'll be going to our station. All right, let's go. Guys, here is our station. Let's jump some of this.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you new, subscribe to this video. Goodbye, everybody.